The Little Tikes Toy Dishwasher is a fantastic addition to any play kitchen. And it truly mimics the real thing. Moreover, it encourages imaginative play. Children can pretend to wash dishes. They can also load pretend plates and cups. This toy fosters responsibility. It also teaches basic kitchen routines. Furthermore, the realistic sounds enhance the experience. Your child will feel like a genuine helper. In addition, the compact size fits well in smaller spaces. However, it still offers ample play opportunities. This Little Tikes toy dishwasher boasts clever design. It features a working pump. Consequently, water flows through the sprayer. Kids absolutely love this interactive element. They can actually wash their play food. Moreover, the spinning racks add authenticity. This replicates a real dishwasher's action. The set includes play dishes too. Therefore, children can start playing immediately. Despite its simplicity, the toy offers engaging fun. It promotes fine motor skills. Furthermore, it encourages hand-eye coordination. Nevertheless, it is durable and built to last overall. The Little Tikes toy dishwasher is a worthwhile investment. It offers hours of entertainment. Furthermore, it subtly educates children. They learn about household chores. The toy's simple mechanics are easy for young hands. Consequently, frustration is minimized. It is a perfect gift for toddlers. Also, preschoolers will enjoy it. The Little Tikes toy dishwasher truly stands out. It blends fun with learning. In conclusion, it's a great toy for budding chefs. Pros: Cutest toy dishwasher, perfect for pretend play, great quality, easy to assemble, with sounds and lights. Kid is obsessed, can play with it for hours, sounds sound real, good value. Daughter loved it, makes different sounds, keeps him busy, worth every penny, came with some dishes, looks like a dishwasher, perfect size. Cons: door is a little awkward to open, trays are somewhat tricky to align, cheaply made and flimsy. Plastic screw pieces easy to remove, no volume control. Decently loud features. Realistic dishwasher sounds, working water pump, faucet really dispenses water, includes play dishes and utensils, drying rack for dishes, compact size. Fits anywhere, easy to clean, encourages imaginative play, develops fine motor skills, no batteries required. The Little Tikes first dishwasher is a fun toy that lets kids pretend to wash dishes. It makes realistic dishwasher sounds and has a working faucet that really pumps water. The set comes with play dishes, utensils, and a drying rack. It's small enough to fit almost anywhere and is easy to clean. This toy helps children use their imagination and develop their hand skills. Plus, it doesn't need any batteries. The Little Tikes first dishwasher is a popular toy that offers a realistic pretend play experience. For kids, it's easy to put together and features lights and sounds that mimic a real dishwasher, keeping children entertained for extended periods. Many parents feel it's a good value, especially since it comes with some toy dishes. While the door can be a bit tricky to open and the trays might be hard to align, and some parts are a bit flimsy, the overall consensus is that this toy is a hit with kids, even though it lacks volume control for its realistic sounds.